Sasha, did we get the toe catch down and now we're ready to start jumping over the rope? I'm going to give you some tips, okay? We're going to try the basic bounce, all right? So what we're going to do, we're going to go to starting position first. Starting position is here, out in front, okay? Not here. So we don't start over the shoulders, start out in front. We're going to go for a basic bounce, which means we're going to jump with 2 feet, not 1, okay? So we're going to try to jump our feet at the same time, okay? We're going to circle the arms over and start jumping. Nice and slow. Notice how high I'm jumping? They're only really little jumps because the rope's only thin, so we don't need to jump really high. Look at where my arms are. They're quite close to my body, and I'm using my wrists to rotate the rope rather than my arms. My chest is up and my shoulders back, and I'm keeping a nice, slow pace. Toe catch. So those are some basic tips for you, okay? Remember, if we just want to try get 1 jump, that's awesome. If you can do 1 jump, that's so cool, okay? If you want to try to get 2 in a row, you have to try to keep circling the arms. Keep that rotation going to keep the rope coming over your head, okay? See how many you can do. I'll see you in the next video. Ka kite.